Hi, I'm Karen, and I've been hiking around southeastern Arizona a little bit for the last 15 years and a whole lot since 2020. Today I have a quick tip about one of the essentials for beginning day hikers. Carry plenty of water. Why do you need to carry water? Well, you need it to avoid dehydration. Dehydration can lead to all sorts of problems, including confusion, terrible cramping, especially of your legs, and in the worst case scenario, death. So, how much water is plenty of water? A lot of hiking sites suggest that in a dry place like Arizona, you bring a liter of water for every 2 hours you'll be hiking. Although you wouldn't know it's dry today after the monsoon rains we had recently. At any rate, if you're going to hike a couple of miles and you think that with a couple of stops to take pictures and taking your time along the way, it'll take you about 2 hours, you should bring a liter of water. After you calculate how much water you'll bring with you, add some extra just in case. That way, if you decide to go a little farther or you end up taking longer to hike your hike, you'll have plenty to keep you hydrated. Okay, now for a pop quiz. How much water is a liter of water? This much? Nope, it's this much. And a liter of water is pretty heavy, so before you head out to a trail, look around your house for something that will make it easy to carry. You don't need to go out and buy anything special or fancy. Any backpack or bag or bottle carry you have around the house will do. Then, when you're hiking and you notice that half your water is gone, it's time to turn around and head back. Don't push your luck. Turn around and do the hike again another day when the conditions are better or you have more water. Also, always be sure to carry ID in your pocket. That's because, remember, one of the symptoms of dehydration is confusion. So if this ever happens to you, you want someone else to be able to figure out who you are so they can help you out. And now let me sum this up. 1, carry a liter of water on almost any hike you go on and carry plenty more depending on your hike. 2, use a backpack or bag to make carrying your water easier. 3, carry ID in case of an emergency. Keep in mind that everyone who hikes starts exactly the same way, with their very first hike. So if you want to be a hiker, find an easy trail in your area and head down that trail. With plenty of water, of course. I really hope you like this video. If you do, please click the thumbs up icon and subscribe down below. And I hope to see you out there on the trails on my next hike.